Ooh, but we got a motor speed error that says land quickly. It was overspeeding, and that can create magic smoke, and that we don't want. And that was all, because I just keep on talking and talking. Let's go and do that test flight. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome everybody to the new Mavic Mini. We just had a flight and we got a motor speed error. We had to land and switch off the drone immediately before we start creating magic smoke. And I'm gonna show you how to fix it. If you're having the same problem or getting into that problem, then you know what to do before you get created magic smoke, and you're going to have to send it to DJI to get fixed with your DJI Refresh Plan. And that will be costing you 2-3 months before you get it back. So let's go and jump into the footage and show you how to fix it. And afterwards we're gonna do a test flight to see if it's fixed. So we take off and we start flying and taking cinematic shots of this boat along the river. There's a little bit of a sneak peek for what is coming up in the next episode. So if you like what you see, then you're not subscribed yet, please go and subscribe and give the video a like. But suddenly I get a wind warning and that scared me. So I realized, like, okay, let's go back home, return to home and get back above dry land so we are safe. The wind warning went away. So oh, nice. Everything is okay. We are fine. And there's a boat that is making a lot of noise. There's the boat on the left. He's trying to make a very sharp turn around this axle, around the poles. He's trying to do something, but he is making a lot of noise. And then I get a next warning, and I'm like, that's probably the wind warning. But then I read the warning and I realize that I am in trouble and I need to go and land quick. And when I say quickly, it's like right here and right now. Yeah? So we land quickly so we can cool down the EC again before we start creating magic smoke. But we got a motor speed error that says land quickly and replace the propellers that is on the EEC that is beeping. And you can see this motor is changing, it's vibrating a little bit. That's the EEC that is beeping. All other 3 motors are quiet. So we're going to have to change these props to fix the problem, because the EEC had a motor speed error. It was overspeeding, and that can create magic smoke, and that we don't want. So happy we got spare propellers. These are color propellers for the Mavic Mini. You'll find the links to the propellers down below. And it even comes with a new screwdriver. I got my own, but it's always nice. You'll always be with a screwdriver. You won't be without, and you'll always be able to fix it. There's just no screws. So be safe with the screws that you get with the original props that came with your drone. Yeah, I had 4 sets of props with screws that have Loctite, blue Loctite. And these are just props, but you get a screwdriver. So that was a nice extra. Let me test if it's really good and chase out the props on this motor. You would like, yeah, those props must be damaged, right? Yeah, they should be damaged, but tell me. There's nothing to see on the underside. Feels super smooth. Same for the other one. Nothing wrong with it. And then at the top, smooth as butter. Literally as smooth as butter. Let's change them out and test again. So we changed out the props. We tested the little screwdriver. It was working fine. Of course, it's still a tiny screwdriver, but it was working. There's a good screw head on it. So that was working. The one thing that I also noticed is the plastic difference. I'm not sure if the red one is more breakable than the black one. I find the originals be very easy to damage and to break. They are very flimsy. And the red ones are a little bit stiffer. They feel stiffer. They feel, I don't know, not straight away thicker, but they do feel stronger. Perhaps they break faster. I don't know. I don't know the quality. We have to go and test that. But they have the same shape overall. But they are more colorful, so if you lose your drone in the grass, you'll be finding it a lot easier with this colorful propellers on it. And it will also look very nice when they are spinning around, of course. And we reused the original screws with Loctite on it. You don't need to use new screws every time you change out the propellers. That is nonsense. if there's enough Loctite on it, or else you replace the Loctite, you clean it up and you place new Loctite on it. I got a little jar at home for it. And that was all, because I just keep on talking and talking. Let's go and do that test flight. Let's go. So let's turn on the drone and test it out. It's gonna be pretty interesting to see if we get the arrow back again or not. Let's turn it on. Let's turn on the radio. I'll let them connect and get everything correct. And then we do a little bit of test flight over this boat. And I think everything is ready for the test flight. So let's record the screen. And make sure if we get an error again, we can show it to you guys. Alright? Right. Connected. And let's start flying. One hand, take off. Perfect. So far, so good.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Right? Seems okay. Not having any problems, and that was racing it. That was just flying, phew, phew. And just have to check the speed, but it was around 50 kilometers per hour. And then we had some strong wind warnings up there. Then we go up and down and backwards at the same time, creating that overclock for the propellers and the motor, creating that really at the edge of the amps that the motors will draw with the propellers on. And we had no warning. No warning that we had to land and turn off the drone immediately, or we had Mavic smoke. Nothing of that. Everything was working fine. So get my thumbs ups, and again the props also look a lot better because of the colors. Yeah, you can see them a lot better in the sky. And if you lose the drone in the grass, you'll be finding it a lot easier because of the props color. And they are stiffer. So there's a harder plastic. They don't flex that much. So they can be that they break easier. But maybe they will last a lot longer. Who knows? Maybe they are a lot stronger. Of course, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to this channel. We are doing a lot of videos on how to fix the Mavic Mini, how to troubleshoot all the problems that we are coming up with every time with the firmware update, with the flyaway, every time we crash. There are a lot of things good and also bad about the Mavic Mini.